The Typhoon discs have a thinner profile, so they take the short hub. You pop that in, put in the short wheel hub in there, put it down there, get your hex screw, locate it in there. And you're good to go. As you can see, these go a lot quicker and a lot easier once you start doing them. It's much more intuitive after a while. Very easy and quick. The Typhoons come in coarse red and fine blue. As you can also see, there's a flat contour and a round contour on the Typhoon discs. They all have the 3/8" arbor hole. These are great for working on wood and acrylics, fiberglass, and rubber products.